Okay guys, beautiful Monday morning, and here we have a pack from, in fact it's from AliExpress, and this is, okay, let's wait for that. I don't want to spoil the surprise. Come on out, come on out, come on out. Oh yeah. It's kind of heavy. And look here, people. Wow. It smells mechanic. Well, there we go. Let me clean this up a bit. It's kind of electrostatic charge here. This is, wow, it's way bigger than I thought. This is a manual winding coil machine. NZ1. For the beginning, there is some glue, so they didn't pay attention to this, but they just pour some glue. Is this intentional or what? Okay, we'll clean that eventually. Doesn't bother me for now. Maybe that's why it was kind of cheap. Because of this, who the hell knows? So the machine is pretty heavy. That's good because it needs stability. And here, of course, we have the screw for getting different kind of coil support. Why I bought this? Because sometimes I have to build my own transformers and then coils for loudspeaker filters and stuff like that, and it's difficult to find the right parts. And to build a transformer, it's not so hard as you can imagine. So I may say it's also fun, and what I'm trying to do for the next level is to try to build my own guitar pickups coil. Now we have a speed rate 1 to 8. Is this metallic? No, that seems like plastic. The gear going to the counter, so that is not really metal. Is this metallic? Let me see. We can check that with a magnet. Yeah, that's metallic. This is metallic also, metallic and metallic. Everything is metallic here. And here we have a support for having an electric motor eventually with a belt. You see this one in here. Do we have a counter reset here? And are there any other interesting stuffs? Not at all. So we have a single speed, 1 per 8. Let's check that. Okay, let me go up here. Almost not exactly 8, 1 to 8. Once again. Okay, let's start here. It's like 7.5, 15.5, 24. Almost, yeah, it's working. Well, here I have some pieces of wire. I'm gonna try to have some support for them and to start organizing the things around here, but let's clean the area first. You see guys, I'm trying to improvise some support for having this wire into the place, but you know, this is just for fun, nothing serious here. I cut a few pieces of plastic like that. That's one. Okay, how can we get that out? Oh, that sucks. Well, the art of improvisation going to almost perfection. Like that. And that's some masking tape. For this purpose, it's perfect. There we go. That should be fine. Now, we have to obviously get maybe something like this. Right. That should be fine. Okay, I'll try it by hand. Anyway, that's the idea of the things. You see? Of course, we need a better way to... Oh. You know what's nice about this mechanical counter? If you go in reverse, then it's subtracting the coil number. This is not good. Of course, I'm over enthusiastic about this. I should find a proper way to do this transfer, but I just want to see how it's working. So we really don't want to have this on the wire, but it's done already. So oh no. Okay, you see, of course, this is not a functional coil, but it's very nice to have it for later development. You know, it's easier to wind secondary or primary from this kind of support. Let me see what we got here. So this is 0.4 millimeters. What about this guy here? 0.6. So this is kind of thicker. Okay, but that's the idea of the things. The machine is working. I'm really happy with that. I've been looking for a long time for something like this. I don't know if I am going to use it too often, but at least I have it around my bench, and that makes life easier. Okay, thank you for today. I hope it's interesting, and if you consider, please subscribe, and like always, don't forget, have fun. Bye bye.